Kung alam ko lang, paulit-ulit ko na sanang sinabi sa'yo na mahal kita.
A man whose love remains unfinished.
Excuse me. Thank you.
Celine?
Hindi ako si Celine.
A woman whose life is yet to unfold.
Eto na nga oh, ang layo na ng narating ko. I have a chance to make you and Papa proud again.
One place will bring them together.
Hi, I'm Charlene and this is Laris. And we are from Kalada Fam and we are at the premiere of Barcelona, A Love Untold. And we are excited to watch this movie, so come with us!
Simple lang na tulad mo ang pinapangarap ko, ang pangarap ko. Kaya sa...
Cringy! Kilig!
Excited.
Nakakakilig.
So good.
Amazing! Nakakaiyak! It was beautiful. Maganda!
Sana ay mapansin mo.
Pinagsabihan ni Daniel Padilla yung pinsan niya yata na bumalik sa mami mag-sorry.
Nag-kissing scene nila! Kilig! More kilig! Naghalikan sila. At lang, naghalikan din sila.
La 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 la. Alam mo ba na lalo kang gumaganda sinta? Sa simple na katulad mo, ako'y nahulog na nga. Lahat ay
Hello mga kapamilyas, maraming salamat sa pag-suporta sa TFC at the movies. And sa mga Katchel fans, asahan nyo, marami pa tayong darating na pelikula. And watch out for the next movie next month, Third Party, Angel Oxin, Sam Milby, and Sanjo Marudo. Thank you.
Hey, the movie just ended and it was really worth watching. So yeah.
Thank you for watching Barcelona, Love Untold with us. Watch out for the next movies and see you soon. Bye!